So it's New Year's Eve. Not sure when you're going to see this, but Jana is making, Frugal RV Gal, is making homemade chips.
You want to tell them why?
Because I made queso,
Chili con queso.
chili con queso, and then realized I didn't have any chips. But fortunately, Jana had a bag of corn tortillas, and she's a cook.
So, I'm making chips.
There you go. Okay, so we are going to play cribbage, and we have our chips and dip down here, and we just got through playing chess. I forgot that I had this little magnetic board and it was a lot of fun. But anyway, it's New Year's Eve and we're just chilling. We're going to have steak, and what else tonight for dinner?
Asparagus.
I caught her right in the middle of sorry, she's wanting to eat and I'm filming.
That's all right.
Oh, asparagus, yeah. And probably some more queso. Okay, bon appetit, everybody. Mm-hmm. Hi, everybody. Today is the first day of 2023, and we are spending the day in our respective rigs. Frugal RV Gal is over there. I'm in here, and I'm going to step outside to show you why. It was raining earlier this morning, and I couldn't step outside. But hang on. I'm going to show you why it is a windy, rainy, cold day in the desert for the first day of 2023. I hope that you and yours are looking forward to the year. And if it is a hard time of year for you, I hope that that turns around and that you can find the peace and joy and happiness that you deserve. So hold on. The sun is coming out. Okay, so this gives you an idea. Well, the wind is kind of dying down too, but I'm going to flip this camera around. I'm going to show you the hummingbird sitting here eating at my feeder. So like I said, the sun is coming out and it's going to be a beautiful day. But it is windy. It has died down some though. But a while ago, it was really rocking the RV. And so I feel silly. I came out and I told you it was all windy and everything, and it's not that bad. But it was, I promise. And I want to show you, look down here at this wash. Isn't that beautiful? And the clouds. Y'all can see those clouds back there, and there's Frugal RV Gal's truck. It was this black all morning, and it's mid-morning now and clearing up, and I'm not sure when you will see this, but I just wanted to come outside and show you around camp. And oops, there comes Frugal RV Gal now stepping out. Hello. It has been rocking and rolling my RV. I was telling everybody I was going to show them how bad the wind was, and I stepped out and it's like, okay, it's not bad now. But anyway, I just wanted to show you around and tell you that I don't know when you'll be seeing this, but Happy New Year. So I came out to show you guys all that, and I just realized Bandit didn't make it out with me. Bandit? What happened, buddy? Come on. He says, Mama, 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 that wasn't fair. I'm sorry, buddy.